how do you force restart the iPad when the screen is frozen? So let me talk about it and show you how it works. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. So obviously you have many ways how you can turn off the iPad, like you have the button in the control center or in the settings as well, but if the screen doesn't react, then it's really not worth much, right? So in this case, if you want to restart the iPad, you have to use the force restart method, which utilizes all of the physical buttons on the side of the iPad. So the physical buttons now are the volume rockers, the volume up and down, as well as the power button. So the way that it would work is that you would perform a sequence of clicking, and this will force restart the iPad, and this is what it looks like. So you press the volume up, then quickly volume down, and then you hold it down on the power button until the screen goes black and until you see the Apple logo. So again, it's a quick succession of pressing the volume up, then volume down, and then holding on the side power button until the screen goes black and you should see the Apple logo. Once you see the logo, you can lift your finger and the iPad should restart and start working normally. Usually when the iPad glitches out, this is going to force the software to start sort of fresh, and it usually goes back to the regular working and functioning state. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix your iPad this way. I really hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.